Here, Rocco, you want this? Mommy has to put some soap in there. Shh, come on, Rocco. Shush. I know, I'll put the soap in there. Polly, want a cracker and some cheese, please? Pretty, 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 please. Mary, Mary, quick and try. How did your garden grow? With silver shells and baby shells. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, its lamb was sure to go. Peter, Peter, pumpkin eater, had a wife and couldn't keep her, put her in a pumpkin shell, and there he kept her very well. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Me eat this money.
Okay, good. Should I believe you?
Yeah.
Did you eat the chocolate?
Yeah.
Did you eat your soup?
Yeah.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yeah. Me did.
And now?
Me did it. Me did. Me did eat my sauce. Me did eat my supper. And me now me can eat my chocolate.
And now you can have what?
When I like me now, I eat my supper and now I'm gonna eat my chocolate.
Ew. Okay, shh. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day. And don't mind that I have Play-Doh in my mouth because I was really hungry.